Hello all, good morning and welcome to our channel. So today is Tuesday and we are seeing green color, somewhat green color in the global markets, right? So Dow Jones ended yesterday at 433, which is quite okay because it was showing 600 points of gap downside, right? So compared to that, it has recovered 200 points, and top of that, it is showing 150 160 point, positive side on the Dow future. Let's look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq ended 188. That is also not bad sign. And S&P also ended at 52, which is okay, we can say. And today morning, as I said, Dow Jones 150 plus, Japanese market 600 point up, almost 500 plus, 550 plus. That is because Japanese PM, growth estimate, they are still on the optimistic side. So that brings some confidence. Hang Seng is flat. China market is flat. Metal index is also flat. So things are looking okay on the bull side. That's what the initial indication that we can come up with. And Australian market is also 0.5% up. So that is also another good sign. 10-year yield is at 1.42. Indian rupee is at 75.73. So as I said yesterday, 76, 76.50 will be a top side, and from there it should recover, and it is recovering. Nice recovery we can see in the Indian rupee. Okay, now let's look at the dollar index. Index is at 96.46, which is okay, not bad. Crude is around 69.70. That is also again a good sign, not that bad sign, and it has recovered somewhat from yesterday's low. So that's another good thing from market point of view. And Germany future plus 6 point, that is flat, and that is why with the whole of these SGX Nifty showing 160 point of gap up. So let's see on the chart whether it will sustain or not, and if it sustain, where should be the. So now let's see onto the 15-minute chart. Yeah, I was telling this in my different channels yesterday that Nifty should make proper W pattern. You can see it was in the process of making a W pattern over here. We can see, right, this kind of, and it will good sign. It is making higher high and higher lows, right? So that's a good sign for us. Already. And it has fallen directly, so we are not seeing any resistance that as such, but yeah, definitely 16,800 will be a resistance. Okay, so my today's trading range in the Nifty will be 16,880 on the upper side, and on the downside 16,580. Okay, and it will show wide movements with the volatility. So 16,880 will be selling opportunity for me, and for downside 17,000 will be buying opportunity for me. Okay, sorry, 16,700, that will be another buying opportunity. So it will be a volatile day today, and levels 16,880 on upper side, and on downside 16,600 or 580. Okay, that will be the buying area for me, and 16,880 to 900 will be selling area to me. Okay, and market will hover in between these. Okay, so that's the scenario on the Nifty side. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. On Bank Nifty as well, we are making in a process of making a very good W pattern. So you can see over here, it came down and then it again tried to make a W pattern. So that's a good sign actually from Bank Nifty point of view. Okay, now let's look at the indicators. Support and resistance. For that, I will go to 5 minutes here. 30, same like Nifty, 17,880, 16,880 I told, right? That is the selling level. So in Bank Nifty, 35,200 to 35,000 will be the level of selling. Okay, and for support 34,500 to 300 will be the support. Okay, so market can hover in between these two levels with huge volatility. Okay, so anything going dip towards 34,500, 300, that will be the buying opportunity. Okay, that's the thing on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And trade safe. Thank you. That's